In this video, I'm going to solve a problem on beam stresses, particularly on the topic of design for type or design for flexure and shear. Here's the problem. If the working stresses are 1000 psi in tension, 1600 psi in compression, and 600 psi in shear, find the maximum allowable value of W. So, first is to solve for the reaction. We have, let's consider the left support as 0.1 and the right support as 0.2. So we have R1 and then R2. And then for the uniform load, the intensity is 2W, okay, times 10. Okay. So it's 20. 2W times 10, that's 20. Uh, 20W. So summing up moment about 1, um, we have R2 times 10 minus 20W times 5, no? Since 10 feet man ang width niya. So central is at the, or center of gravity is at the geometric center. So 5 and minus W times 8 minus 2W times 12. We have this one. Solving for R2. R2 is equal to 13.2 W. And then solving for R1, we sum up for vertical. So R1 plus R2 minus 20W minus W minus 2W equal to 0. So R1 is 9.8 W. So after this one, okay, we locate the neutral axis. So, subdivide the area or the cross-section in different elements. No? So we have two elements, a bigger rectangle minus a smaller rectangle. Okay. So our area 1 is 8 times 16. We have this one. Okay. Let's consider the bottom as our reference distance in solving for y bar. So again, area 1 is 8 times 16. So that's 128 minus this one, area. 4 times 6, 24. So the total area is 128 minus 24. It's 104. For the bigger rectangle, ang center niya is here. Since ang height niya is 16, so 8 ang yang location sa centroid. For the smaller rectangle, the centroid is located here at the geometric center. Bale kung if we solve for y, y1 is 8 or 1/2 sa 16. For y sub 2 is 1/2. This is one is 6. So 6. So the distance is 3 plus 2. That's 5. We have this one, this equation. Varigness theorem. Area total y bar is equal to area 1 y1 minus area 2 y2. So the neutral axis is located 8.692 inches above the bottom. Okay, here, since 8 Ramani. So 8.692. Na diri ato neutral axis. After this, we solve for the moment of inertia about the neutral axis. parallel axis theorem again, and the formula is summation of centroidal moment of inertia plus area E square. So for L, the first element, bigger rectangle, 1 over 12 BH cube plus area. Ang D na yun is distance sa centroid sa element to the neutral axis. So, bali, 8.692 minus 8. So, this is 0.692. Yes. And for element number 2, the smaller rectangle, 1 over 12 BH cube. The distance is this one. So, that's y bar minus 5. 5 man. Mo niya nga distance. Y bar minus 5. We have this one. Bigger rectangle 1 over 12, base is 8, height 16. Then area T1 is 0.692 or simply 8 minus 8.692. Absolute value anyway yung square. You can use negative if you want, pero kay square mga positive lang. For element 2, basis 4, height is 6. And D is difference between 5 and 8.692. That's 3.692. So we have this value for moment of inertia, 2,392.82 inch raised to 4. No? After this, we will draw the shear moment diagram. From left to right, we have 9.8 W upward, and then uniform load 2W times 8 up to this point. No, that's 16. 2W times 16. So 9.8 W minus 16W. It's negative 6.2 W. And then we have a concentrated load of W downward. So negative 6.8 W minus W. You have negative 7.2. And then uniform load from this point to the right support, that's 2W times 2, that's 4W. So negative 7.2 W minus 4W, you have negative 11.2. And then plus R2, 13.2. That's 2W. And then no load, so horizontal. Oh, sorry. Horizontal. And then 2W downward. Okay. And then we solve for this distance using my shortcut. Just divide shear by the uniform load. 9.8 W divided by 2 W. We have 4.9. Okay. 4.9. So solving for the area, 1/2 of 4.9 times 9.8 W, we have 24.01 W with this curvature, and then minus this area, 1/2 of, this is 3.1, that's 8 minus 4.9, 1/2 of 3.1 times 6.2. That the resulting value is 14.4 W. Bali, 24.01 W minus area is equal to 14.4 W. Minus the area of this trapezoid, 1/2 of 1/2 Open parenthesis 7.2W plus 11.2W times 2. So, the value is subtracted will be subtracted sa 14.4W. And the result is negative 4W. And then, plus this one, positive man, 2W times 2, 4W. And nag-close ang diagram. Okay. Now, for bending, we have maximum positive moment and maximum negative moment. So, i-test na to. Okay. So, sige. For positive moment, we have 24.01W. Now, pag positive moment, concave upward na again. If you will draw the elastic or mo niyang elastic curve niya. So, sa kinina point, concave upward na. And pag concave upward, fibers below the neutral axis is in tension. So, ang C na to is this one. From the neutral axis down, no, that's 8.692 ang C. For tension, 8.692. Okay. So, MC over I, tensile stress is 1,000. This one. 1,000 PSI in tension. Now, since dili given ang units of W, let's just consider this one as pounds. Okay. So therefore, ang unit sa moment na to is pounds feet. Kaya ang distance is feet man. So pounds feet. So for M, ang i-convert lang is ang feet, no? Convert to inches, no? So that's why i-multiply siya o 12. Conversion from feet to inches. So M times C over I, we have this W. Okay. Now for compression, C is the distance from the neutral axis to the uppermost fiber, and C is 7.308. Same formula, pero ang value sa stress compression is 1.6. We have this one, 1.6. MC over I, W is 1,818.27 pounds. This is for positive movement. Next na sad is negative movement. Pag negative movement, like negative 4W, concave downward na. Concave downward. So, this one, concave downward. So, if we consider tension, fibers above the neutral axis. So, ang C na to is 7.308. Okay, fibers above. Okay, 1,000 yapon. Tensile stress. And moment na yun for W, conversion factor from feet to inches. And C over I. We have this W. And for compression, fibers below the neutral axis, 8.692. Okay, stress, MC over I. We have 9,176.33. And then the last one, shear. Maximum shear is negative 11.2 W. Or biggest magnitude regardless of sign. That's 11.2 W. Solve for Q, since the formula is VQ over IB. So we solve for Q with formula AY. Okay, let's consider the area above the neutral axis, this one. So the area is 8 times 7.308. That's the area, and the value of y is distance as a centroid to the neutral axis, and that is 1/2 of 7.308. This one, kanana y. It's 3.654. We have this q, okay? And mao ni ang formula sa shear stress. Shear stress is equal to V Q over IB. Dili man tayo mag-cut. So our B is 8. Dili tayo nag-cut. So we have a W of 4,800.396 pounds. Therefore, the maximum allowable value of W is K. If we check sa positive moment, we have 955.47 and 1,818.27. For negative moment, we have 6,821.35 and 9,176.33. Now, if we consider the maximum allowable value of W, it must be the smallest. And the smallest is this, 955.47. So this is the maximum allowable value of W. Any value bigger than this will result to a tensile stress of more than 1,000. Value beyond 955.47, mag-fail ang mag-fail anin na criteria. Okay. That's it. So I hope that you have learned something from this presentation, video presentation. So again, thank you for watching.